CT here. So this is for abdominal pain, and just shout if you see the finding.
We don't see your scrolling. We only see your PowerPoint.
Right. Oh, really? Okay. Let's see.
Perfect.
So, there's just one finding here, and I kind of wish I didn't see it.
Left psoas muscle?
Yeah. So it's this lesion that is likely enhancing, although we don't have a pre-con, and doesn't seem to have any RCC, no history of melanoma, no pancreatic lesion. So that's the finding. Can you still see my PowerPoint?
Yep.
Okay. So 9 are malignant. I had a feeling about this, but I kind of had to do something.
It almost looks like a hemangioma.
So that is exactly what this is. This is a hemangioma.
Why are you laughing?
Because in retrospect, it seems, kind of obvious that that's what it could be. But I showed it to a colleague, and we just weren't sure. And so apparently these are difficult to diagnose for surgery, and there's this article that describes a bunch of weird hemangiomas in the abdomen and pelvis, including like this perirenal hemangioma.
Victor, one thing these ones on these images, they have calcification, so that's one clue if you see phleboliths within them.
That's right. Yeah.
His case didn't have that.
Yours was lobulated and kind of avidly enhancing, so that's another clue.
Yeah.
And then did you notice that the psoas was asymmetric? And it's because it can cause, it actually can cause asymmetric atrophy of the muscle because it can cause ischemia, like it steals, but in this case, it looks like maybe the hemangioma is actually maybe even larger than you think.
Let's see. This is an hemangioma adjacent to the IVC here. Here's one, I believe, within the IVC. T2 bright, pretty classic. And then here's another example of psoas hemangioma. Now that I know this, I guess if I ever see it again, I don't know if we would be able to obviate the need for biopsy, but it seems
maybe an MRI would have been helpful.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, now that I know.
Yeah, because they're usually pretty T2 bright.
Yeah. So now I know.
But not commonplace for hemange. So
Yeah. But now that we've all seen it, maybe we'll be able to suggest it next time.
We've actually had a few cases of these intramuscular ones, like one was in the back and stuff, and so people were concerned about sarcomas. But I think that they're actually more common than we think. So just kind of keep it in the back of your head if you see something that, like either the calcifications or if it's T2 bright and doesn't look as aggressive.
Yeah, I definitely will from now on. I tend to like to undercall things and save patients hassle, but that one just couldn't let it go. But now I know.